This is a spring live tester. And what we have here is over 300,000 tests. Press this every turn. He's mimicking the opening and closing of that hinge here. Exactly. It has now been tested more than 300,000 times. 3 of these springs are good. There's no problem, but here are 5 lights on. It means the spring's already broken. And then this is the slide test machine. Slide test machine. What we do now is running 100,000 tests. And now this is over 20,000 tests. Load capacity is 25 kilograms. Now, first 5 kilos a drawer. Wait, just did a gravity test of 30 kilograms. And then this is the hinge tester. We are also testing 100,000 times. This is over 80,000 times. His springs must have been fatigued. Now the buffer time has reached more than 10 seconds. 14 seconds. And this is over 30,000 times here. 39,000 times function still normally. And then the side will show a droop of the door panel. One of the lower droop dimensions of the door panel. This was tested 39,000 times. It has a droop of 1.2 millimeters. And then this side is down 3.4 millimeters, because he's done it over 80,000 times. This is a cylinder testing machine. The important parts of the hinge are the cylinder and surface treatment. I've tested this 100,000 times, and then do it all over again. After tested it 100,000 times, I will take it out and test it for a pull test. After 100,000 tested, I wonder if its resistance has changed. If there is no change, I will continue to run tests on this machine again. This is a buffer speed. And then this is its force value. Its force value is basically done 100,000 times. It doesn't change much. So I'm gonna keep testing. And then this is steel ball rail test machine. And that buffer rail is similar. We also did a test of 30 kilograms. This is 37,000 tests done. This test machine will test one of these. Buffer time. And one of his sags. Doing tests. If he sags, I'll fill it here as well. There will be warning. And then this is hardness test. Materials for each batch. We'll do tests. Test its hardness. I'll just have one. Let's test the orbit. Our hardness standard is 7 OHRD. The product quality will be affected by the material hardness, such as its load-bearing capacity. We must control the hardness of the material to ensure quality. After the plating, it's gonna lose a little bit of that hardness, because its plating is not as hard as steel. And then this is the salt spray tester. I can't open the lid of my salt spray tester. Too much fault. This is what we have now. All the time. 48 hours. And then there's the regular circuit. And then power dose. We're doing a 48-hour line test.